Hello, my name is Tammy. I am a program manager at Tucson Electric Power in our energy efficiency department. Air conditioning is really a necessity to stay comfortable here in the desert. So regular maintenance is important to make sure that your system is working optimally. We often get questions on what we recommend to our customers. Let's start with some low-cost, no-cost options that you can easily perform on your own. First, check your air filters regularly. Every living situation is different. Pet dander, smoke, candles, etc. can all contribute to clogging your air filters. So if you could check your air filters monthly to see if it needs to be replaced, that would be ideal. One way to remember to do this is when you pay your utility bill, check your air filters. Ensure that return and supply air ducts are not blocked. Improper airflow will impede the system efficiency. Now, there are some recommendations that should only be performed by a licensed contractor. Some of those would include checking the electrical connections to the system or the breaker box to make sure they're properly tightened, ensuring that your indoor or outdoor coils are cleaned, checking the charge of your refrigeration, and consider duct leakage diagnostics and sealing to improve the efficiency of your system. TEP offers incentives for our HVAC tune-up services, so you may want to go to our website to check out the services that we offer. If you have to replace your AC unit, we do recommend that you plan ahead. So first, obtain a minimum of 3 bids to find a contractor who is going to best fit your situation. Second, ask the right questions. Ask the contractors if there's any financing options available. Third, research existing rebates available. For example, Tucson Electric Power offers instant rebate for qualifying Energy Star units 15C or higher when you utilize one of our vetted participating contractors in our program, and they meet our program requirements. Our website will have more information for you. Finally, we recommend installing a smart thermostat in order to program temperature settings and utilize the smart feature so that the device will understand your HVAC needs and make adjustments accordingly. Tucson Electric Power also offers incentives on qualifying units to help you with your purchasing needs. The U.S. Department of Energy does recommend setting your thermostat to 78 degrees during the summer and 68 degrees during the winter, or to a comfortable level for you and your family. Now, I will recommend that adjusting your thermostat just by 3 degrees will result in savings. We are honored to provide safe, reliable, and affordable energy to our community. For more energy tips like these, please follow us on our social media. Thank you and have a great day.